One sunny afternoon, a hungry dog was lucky to find a tasty bone.
He proudly carried it in his mouth, tail wagging as he was walking across a wooden bridge over a sparkling stream. As he was walking, he looked down into the water and saw another dog in the water carrying a bone in its mouth. The bone seemed bigger.
Being greedy, he wanted the other bone. He barked to frighten the other dog. The bone fell into the stream.
The dog was sad when he discovered that it was himself, not another dog or bone,